Let's be honest, bookkeeping is the worst part of flipping houses. Nobody wants to spend their Sunday night at a desk manually typing in a mountain of receipts. It's mind-numbing, boring work that ruins your evenings. And that's why we built the AI Receipt Analyzer to finally end all that nonsense. It's a powerful engine that automatically transcribes, itemizes, and categorizes your expenses for you. We're turning hours of tedious manual data entry into minutes of simple verification. So that way you can finally get your time back. Our new AI Receipt Analyzer, it was built into a simple 3-step process. Upload, analyze, and verify. So simply upload your receipts and let the AI analyze the data and then just simply verify the results to sync to your budget. That's it. No more manual data entry, just pure automation that puts your expense tracking on autopilot. So let's show you how it works. Step 1 is all about capturing the receipts. You can use our mobile app to snap a photo as soon as you leave the checkout to quickly digitize your receipt so you never lose a receipt again. And if you're at your desk, you can also just bulk upload your receipts directly from your computer. Every invoice and receipt, it lands instantly in your receipts inbox, ready to be processed. Now step 2 is where the magic happens. In your receipts inbox, you'll see a list of unlinked receipts that haven't been converted to transactions. Just click the unlinked receipt that you want to analyze, and then simply click this new Analyze Receipt button at the top of the window. Now watch this. In just a few seconds, the AI isn't just reading the image, it's actually transcribing the date, vendor, and financial account. It's also itemizing every single line item, writing detailed descriptions, entering the amounts, and it's even categorizing those expenses to the project category and class. So whether it's lumber, electrical, or plumbing, the AI knows what category it should belong to. It even performs a math check to ensure that the subtotal, the taxes, and grand totals are accurate and match what's on your receipt. Now, on a detailed multi-page receipt like this one, this AI just did what used to take you probably 15 minutes in about 15 seconds. Step 3 is the final simple step, verification. Simply review the receipt and verify the results. With the receipt on the left and the transaction details on the right, we can easily compare the receipt side by side with our data to verify the results. Now, if you don't want the detailed breakdown, we also have an option to simply switch to lump sum, which is then going to collapse the line items into a single lump sum item. Once your results are verified, click Save, and your transaction will be created as a fully itemized, categorized transaction in the expense tracker. Now here's the best part for our longtime users. You don't just have to use this for new receipts. We know many of you have existing transactions in your expense tracker. Maybe you have an old big Home Depot receipt that had 20 different material items on it that you ended up entering just as a single lump sum because you didn't want to waste the time manually entering all of those items on the receipt. Well, now you can actually go back to an existing transaction, hit Analyze Receipt, and let the AI Receipt Analyzer retroactively itemize that receipt for you. So it's going to be a game changer for you if you're wanting to clean up your books, if you want to get more granular with that category level detail that you're going to need for your accurate reporting on your projects. At the end of the day, this isn't just about saving you time. It's about the clarity of your data. When every expense is tracked to the penny, you stop guessing and start knowing exactly what your profit looks like. That's the level of detail that you need to scale your business, keep your partners happy, and flip with total confidence. We built this feature so that way you can focus on finding deals and managing your project, not acting as a data entry clerk. So go ahead, head on over to the receipts inbox, let the AI do the heavy lifting for you, and as always, if you have any feedback on this feature, please let us know.